How to change address in TD Bank online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change address in TD Bank online. In order to do it so, you have to follow the steps. So if you want to change the address on your TD Bank app, then you could follow these steps. First of all, you want to go on login and tap on my account. After which you want to click on settings and services menu. The head icon, and which will be located in the top right of the screen. Then click on my profile and settings, or else you could also go ahead and select my account and go to my profile and settings as well. Then you could go to personal contact info, select edit button, enter in your new postcode and select the correct address where it appears to the drop down list. In order to save the changes, click on save when completed. So this way you'll be able to make changes with your address in TD Bank online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.